police high command has accused the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and the Eastern Security Network, ESN, of carrying out the attacks on the Isiala Mbano police station on Thursday. The command also confirmed that no life was lost, but that one of the police operatives sustained a gunshot injury and was rushed to a nearby hospital for treatment. Narrating the incident on Friday, the Commissioner of Police, Imo State Command, CP Ruby Hassani, said armed bandits suspected to be members of IPOB ESN group came to Isiala Mbano police station in about 5 vehicles and 3 motorcycles and started shooting indiscriminately. He said they threw petrol bombs on the roofs of the already damaged building. The building was damaged by hoodlums during the 2020 EndSARS protest. The commissioner said gallant police operatives attached to the station returned fire, engaging them in a gun battle. He said they were able to repel the bandits and that in the process, the assassins zoomed off in their vehicles and motorcycles. The police chief said due to the gallantry of the police operatives, no harm was lost. The fire was extinguished, not after causing some damages to the buildings. The command's tactical teams have been dispatched to the area in pursuit of the bandits and to beef up security in the area. Meanwhile, Nigerians have reacted. Someone said, I wish Nigeria could have somebody with good heart like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a president. And again, IPOB is the most peaceful organization in the whole world. Nonsense talk. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB can never, ever plan evil against his people. Yeah, I think I go with this person because I see no reason why IPOB members will go killing their people they said they are protecting. So the issue will just get us a be. I am always saying this here, that Southeast leaders, they should go and find out who are these unknown gunmen. Some persons are just after the Southeasterners. Some people are sponsoring these unknown gunmen because it's just too funny. Why would IPOB going killing people? Though I don't know, but I am just asking because you cannot go killing people you are saying you are protecting. According to them, they say they are protecting their people and they want, the good life for their people. So why would these people now still go killing people, their own indigenous? So the matter gets us to be, you understand? Because anything that happens in the Southeast region is either is either IPOB members or ESN. I think the best thing they should do to find out who are behind this unknown gunmen, since the IPOB leader says they have no hands in all the killings in the Southeast region. Someone said they are doing all they can to paint IPOB black, but God have continued to exonerate his people. They killed Gulag, Chike Akoyele, and so on, and said that IPOB killed them. Today, everybody knows who are behind all these killings. DSS has a plan to tarnish the image of IPOB, so they go on now and always destroying their own facilities in the bid to frame IPOB. We will emerge victorious despite all these their lies. Okay, someone said everybody knows that there is no truth in Nigerian police. Whatever you have labeled us terrorists before now, so this minor allegation can't stop us from getting to the promised land. The only song in the lips of the children of Zion is the redemption song, the song of freedom. They love the media when they want to make their lies, allegations, but when it comes to addressing these issues in a court of competent jurisdiction, they become enemies of free press, mad people everywhere. This is funny country. But how did police come to this conclusion? Police say, that is the problem. Okay, someone said, mad people everywhere. Is there any other thing to say outside Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, ESN? Abeg, please, a new song. This one is outdated. Okay, as we miss President Yar'Adua during Jonathan's regime and still miss Jonathan during Buhari's regime, may we not see any other president that will make us miss Buhari. Okay, someone said amen to that prayer. We are used to these lies now. Terrorists in uniform killing people without mercy. I guess Nnamdi Kanu's IPOB ESN also attacked the Abuja-Kaduna train some days ago. The unknown gunman, the DSS, that was killed by police in Imo State 2 weeks ago, was also killed by Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB ESN Abi. The government is not yet ready to tell us the game they are playing with our lives and well-being. Maybe it was IPOB that killed NSAS protesters at Lagos Lekki Toll Gate. These people, they are not serious. Nigerian police should stop all this nonsense propaganda by trying to paint a dog black in other way around to kill him. They always failed because the masses already knows the truth. Those behind all this attack in Southeast is Fulanis and DSS terrorists. Like little kids from Biafra lands knows those behind all these attacks when world knows it too. Okay? Alright, someone said, what did the Nigerian army? What did the Nigerian I beg your pardon. What did the Nigerian army did in Izube and also communities? We always remember that action and the reaction are equal and opposite. Never again will you people kill us without a commensurate response, he said. So guys, you've all heard it now. It's not a news that anything that happens in the Southeast region is IPOB members and ESN. Anyway, guys, I'm dropping it here. What's your take? Let's hear from you. Kindly drop your view with us below the comment section. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye for now.